Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to enable long paths in Windows 11 using registry editor. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu. Here you will search for run, or you can simply press Windows plus R. Then here you will type registry edit, enter, click on yes. Now in registry editor, go to the following location. The first is H key local machine, then go to system, then current control set, then control, and then file system. Scroll down and find file system. Here it is. You can also copy the path into the registry editor and address bar. Now find long paths enabled. Here you will see, here it is, long paths enabled. If you can see it, double click on it, change the value data from 0 to 1, then click on OK. Create the value if it's missing. If you don't see long path enabled, you can right click on blank area, and here you can new dword 32-bit value and name it as long paths enabled. Now restart your computer. Now close registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting, Windows 11 will support longer file and folder paths for compatibility applications. And that's it. You have successfully enabled long paths in Windows 11 using registry editor. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.